Hello guys, welcome back to Crazy Dumplings.
This is Meghana.
This is Ritesh.
Guys, today we are going to react to a very unique video.
Yes guys, it's indeed a special video for us.
So it's Marakkar Arabica Dalante Simham.
Yeah, official trailer. And actually if I translate that, it says Marakkar, the lion of the Arabian Sea.
Yes.
And it stars none other than
Lalitan.
So it stars Mohanlal sir and it's directed by Priya Darshan, I
and
guess. And
Manju
Manju Warrier is also there. I
And
guess.
also,
So guys, actually this trailer has been released 1 year ago
and
itself.
also it stars Arjun.
Yeah, and also we see Arjun in the thumbnail.
Yeah.
So it will be interesting. And also guys, this trailer has been released 1 year ago, and but we have not seen the trailer. And
Yes.
recently I have come across this video on YouTube. So I thought of immediately reacting to it because it stars Mohanlal sir, and this
And
movie has
also-
been
yes.
much talked about movie recently. And I think it was supposed to be released earlier, and due to some issues, it's going to be released on August, I guess. And one interesting fact about this movie is it already got national award.
Yeah.
I think for the
Even before the release.
for the
that's
best
very
feature
special,
film,
yeah.
I guess, national award. So that's very good and very interesting, right? So
So it's being released by Saina Movies.
yeah, the
Yeah.
trailer was we found in Sina Movies channel, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Trailer is on Sina Movies channel and it already got 9. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the trailer, and we are excited because it seems to be a historic kind of movie.
Yeah.
By seeing the attires of these guys on the thumbnail.
And
So-
also it stars very great actors, you know.
Yeah.
So of course excited.
ഇത് കുഞ്ഞാല് കൊടുത്തയച്ചതാന്ന് പറയാൻ പറഞ്ഞു.
നീ കുഞ്ഞാലിയെ കണ്ടോ?
ഇല്ല.
പിന്നെ ആരാ ഇത് തന്നയച്ചത്? ആരാണ് ഈ കുഞ്ഞാലി? കണ്ടവർ ജീവിച്ചിരിപ്പില്ല, കേട്ടവർക്ക് എവിടെയുണ്ടെന്നും അറിയില്ല. അയാളെ കുറിച്ച് ഒട്ടിക്കുന്ന വിളംബരങ്ങൾ പശ ഉണങ്ങും മുമ്പേ കീറി മറഞ്ഞു പോകും. അകലങ്ങളിൽ നിഴൽ പോലെ മാത്രം കണ്ടവർ അയാളെ കൈകൂപ്പി വണങ്ങും.
Suhasini.
Manju
Manju
Warrier.
Warrier. Sabu Sriya. Ah. Oh. Alikira Sarantha.
കടലിൽ ജാലവിദ്യ കാണിക്കുന്ന ഒരു മാന്ത്രികനുണ്ട്, കുഞ്ഞാലി. കുഞ്ഞാലിയുടെ മേത്തുനിന്ന് അവസാന ചോര ഇറ്റ് വീണ വരയ്ക്കും ഒരുത്തം കൂടെ ഉയരോട് പോകട്ടെ.
Prabhu. अरे सुन सकते हो
ഈ യുദ്ധം നമ്മൾ ജയിക്കും.
Oh.
All over the world.
26 March అప్పుడు ఉన్నట్టుంది 26 March.
Stay ahead with Craig.
Oh my
Wow,
god.
so many great actors, right?
Yeah, stellar star cast actually. So we knew that Arjun sir was there, and apart from him there was
Suhasini ma'am,
Suhasini ma'am,
Suresh.
Kirti Suresh sir, Prabhu sir
Yeah.
was there. Sunil
And
Shetty
Sunil
sir,
Shetty.
so many actors, and it will be interesting to watch the movie. And actually it's historic movie, and
Yes.
it kind of felt like the feeling of pirate and the
Yeah,
touch
we
of
get that
Hindustan.
vibe, yes.
Yeah, we got that vibes of them of that movies, and also it's good to see Mohanlal sir playing such character.
Yes.
I guess he's protecting against Portuguese.
Yeah,
Maybe the
maybe.
yeah, the land, or he's guarding the coast. He's protecting against the Portuguese. Maybe he's a captain or he's a commander, I guess,
Yes.
of the naval. So yeah, it's very interesting to see him in that role, and with stellar star cast. I think we are excited when will be the movie released.
Yes.
Actually, due to some reasons,
it
because
was
it's
postponed, I
yeah
guess.
March 2020. I guess obviously due to Corona, it got postponed last year. But
Yes.
so it's almost 1 year, right?
Yeah.
And so,
I think it will be released in August or something.
yeah,
like
it
that.
says in August 2021, but we have to see when will it be released. And even before the release, it has got the national award for
Yeah,
the feature film, so that's very interesting.
exciting.
And
yeah.
yes, I forgot to mention the cinematography. It was amazing.
Yeah,
actually.
and also the background music
Yeah,
was very
the background music
good,
also
yeah.
was very good.
very
And
pleasing actually.
even the shots were also very cool. I think they did good edit.
Yeah.
Graphics were also very on top class, actually, top notch.
That scene where shooting with some
Yeah,
arrow, that
shooting
was
with arrow.
that
Amazing.
was very
Yeah.
amazing.
And
right?
also the last scene
very
where
aesthetic. Yeah.
and also the last scene where the ship fell into the water. So all
Yeah.
those scenes look amazing actually. So we can clearly say that it has been made on a big scale.
Yeah.
So I think the budget will be also huge, and
Yeah.
it will be released across the worldwide,
Yeah,
as it's already
worldwide.
said. So I think it should be a huge hit. And
it will be, I
yeah,
guess.
it will be a huge hit, and we are also very excited, especially for Laratan sir, to watch him playing such role on the screen on such a big panorama. So that will be very good to see.
Yes.
So guys, that's our reaction to Marakat, the Lion of Arabian Sea trailer. Guys, previously also we have reacted to mashups of Mohanlal sir, Mammootty sir and other heroes, and many trailers like recently Cold Clay's trailer, even Malik trailer also we have
Yes.
reacted. So guys, I'll put the links here so you can go and watch those reactions. And even at the end of this video, I'll provide the playlist of mashups which we have done, so you can go and watch those videos. And if you like those videos, please hit the like button there. And one more thing guys, if you want to get in touch with me on Instagram, I will provide my Instagram handle below, and in the description also I'll put the link, so you can DM me whatever requests you have. So guys, that's the end of the video.
So if you like this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to
Crazy Dumplings.
And also don't forget to hit the bell icon king for notifications.
So guys, we'll do the next video. Bye.